Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Temu affiliate program, what it is, how it works, and how you can start earning money by promoting products from Temu. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with affiliate marketing, this guide will give you a full understanding step by step. So first, what exactly is the Temu affiliate program? It's a marketing partnership offered by Temu, the popular shopping app known for its low prices and wide product range. Through this program, you can earn commissions every time someone makes a purchase using your unique referral link. Temu pays affiliates for driving traffic and sales, which means the more people you refer, the more you can earn. Let's start with how to join. Go to the official Temu website or open the Temu app. Scroll to the bottom and look for the Affiliate and Influencer section. Click on Join Now or Become an Affiliate. You'll be redirected to Temu's affiliate portal where you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or even through your existing Temu login. Once you've filled out your information, you'll be asked to provide your preferred payment method and basic promotional details, like your social media handles or website links. After submitting your application, it usually takes a few hours to get approved. Once approved, you'll have access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you can find your referral link, marketing materials, and performance stats. The dashboard is very beginner-friendly. It shows how many clicks your links get, how many orders are made, and how much commission you've earned. Now let's talk about how to promote your affiliate link effectively. The key is to find products that people want and present them in an engaging way. You can share your links on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or even blogs. Many successful affiliates create short videos showing Temu product hauls, reviews, or tutorials on how to use certain items. When people buy through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Speaking of commissions, Temu offers a pretty generous payout structure. The rates vary depending on the category, but affiliates can earn anywhere from 5% up to 20% on each sale. On top of that, Temu frequently runs special campaigns where you can earn bonuses or higher rates for promoting trending products. Payouts are usually processed through PayPal or bank transfer, and you can withdraw once you meet the minimum balance requirement set in your dashboard. Now, here's a few tips to really boost your results. First, always promote products that match your audience's interests. If you run a tech channel, focus on gadgets or electronics from Temu. If you're into beauty or home decor, stick with those categories. Second, use visuals. People are more likely to click your link when they see the product in action. Third, stay active. The more content you post, the more exposure your affiliate links get, and that directly affects your earnings. Another smart strategy is to take advantage of Temu's built-in referral bonuses. Sometimes Temu gives extra rewards if you bring new affiliates to the platform or drive a certain amount of sales in a month. Keep an eye on your dashboard notifications or affiliate newsletters for those time-limited offers. Finally, always be transparent with your audience. When you share affiliate links, let people know that it's a referral link. Not only is it good practice, but it also builds trust, and trusted recommendations convert much better. So, to wrap up, joining the Temu affiliate program is simple. Sign up on Temu's site, get your unique link, share products creatively, and earn commissions for every sale. With consistent promotion and smart marketing, you can easily build a steady stream of income from it. It's free to join, easy to start, and open to anyone, making it a great opportunity for creators, influencers, or anyone looking to make money online. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.